Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study ZIndex or ZIndex in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as ZIndex Playground. So ZIndex actually controls display order of overlapping views, and the default value for every view is 0. And since we are going to use some inbuilt shapes in this tutorial, so I wanted to let you know that we have these 5 shapes provided to us by the SwiftUI. You can use all of them in your apps. So let's start by creating a VStack. And then we are going to use a rectangle in here, and there is a modifier that fills colors in the rectangle, so or in any shape you are going to use. So let's just use that and fill it with green color, and let's just use a frame in here so that we can set the height and width. So now we have a rectangle with 100 height and 100 points width, and let's just write another rectangle and fill this one with maybe blue color, and same we are going to use width of 100 and height of 100 points. And if you remember, we actually have already utilized a rotation effect modifier. What it does, it rotates the view on which you use it. Previously we used it with the text, and now let's just use rotation effect with our second rectangle, and we want to rotate it by 45 degree. Now you can see that we have our this blue rectangle is actually on top of green one, and our green rectangle is behind the blue one. So now if there is a use case or in your app or somewhere it's a design requirement, we may want to use we want this green rectangle to be on top of the blue one, so we can use this ZIndex, and we know that every view has a default value of 0, so we can just use 1 in here. So since 1 is greater, and that's why our this green view will be on top of. So that's what it does. ZIndex, it actually controls the display order of overlapping views. So that's it. This is a very simple concept. I hope you understand it, but if you still have anything, you can let me know in the comment, and see you in the next video.